Welcome back on my channel. Rosie here. For today's video, we are going to do this soft glam makeup look. So, this past few days, hindi po ako nakapag-upload because my phone is broken. So, ngayon, gawa na siya. Gumawa ako nitong look na to. So, if you want to see this look, please po, mag-subscribe kayo sa channel ko para updated kayo sa mga videos na ina-upload ko. And without further ado, let's get into the video. So, first, we are going to moisturize our face. Siyempre, kailangan kapit na kapit ang ating makeup sa ating muka. So, mag-moisturize muna tayo. So, ayan, nakakilay na ako. Ginawa ko na siya off-cam dahil medyo mahirap ang pagkikilay at mahabrang proseso talaga ang pagkikilay. So, magpa-foundation na tayo. Ang gagamitin ko foundation is... So, ang gagamitin kong foundation ngayon is this L'Oreal Paris Too Much na shade Warm Natural Beige. Tapos, dadagdagan natin siya nitong Maybelline Dream Velvet na ito. Dahil, medyo maitim to, tapos medyo maputi to sa akin. So, dadagdag natin siyang dalawa. Dahil medyo maitim po ako. Pero maitim talaga ako. And then, i-apply natin siya all over our face. So, i-blend naman natin siya using this brush para and then, magko-contour muna tayo bago tayo mag-jump sa ating eyeshadow dahil kailangan natin pumayat.
Just make sure y'all don't fall apart. Out the dark, into the light. All of your visions, they come into life. When you dig deep in your soul. When you ditch your ego. Yeah, it's getting kinda cold out. Do you wanna hang out with me? I feel so lost if we don't speak. I rock my chucks with the blue jeans and I stay afloat. I don't know what I'm doing. I focus on improving. Gotta keep it moving. Through the confusion, keep the peace.
Magka-consider naman tayo ng ating under eye.
No plans, I could head your way. Wanna get to you, but honestly, I don't know how. It's me against the world, I don't need to doubt. No plans on a Saturday. No plans, I could head your way. Wanna get to you, but honestly, I...
And then, mag-set na tayo ng face with my Nichido face powder. For the eyeshadow, we are going to use this Beauty Now and Next eyeshadow. So, we're just gonna set our eyes with this color.
Plans on a Saturday. No plans, I could head your way. Wanna get to you.
So, kukunin naman natin itong Fashion21 Color set. At kukunin natin yung orange na shade. Lagay lang natin siya doon sa crease. Ayan. Hanggang dito sa outer corner. Then, gamitin naman natin yung yellow na shade dito sa ating.
I make music in my room like 7 days out of the week. I don't speak about my past a lot. Honestly, I talk to God a lot. I've been all in my head, so you know.
Ginawa ko na yung isang eye. So, gagawin naman natin tong side na to. So, kukuha tayo nung dark brown shade. Ilalagay natin siya dun sa dulo. Dun sa outer corner. Then, move natin siya to the crease. Kailangan light hand lang para mas ma-apply nyo siya, mas makita yung kulay. Para mas gamay nyo kung gaano kaitim yung magiging, yung kalalabasan ng dulo. And then, gagamitin naman natin yung, kuha tayo ng mga bronze shade. Lagay natin siya dito sa dulo. Tapos, lagay din natin siya dito all over our lid. Kasi tatakpan din naman natin yan later. Tapos, dun sa inner corner, maglalagay tayo ng dark brown. Iwanan natin yung gitna para lagyan natin siya ng mas lighter na shade. Ayan. So, lalagyan naman natin siya ng match lighter na shade para mas makinang yung gitna.
Gotta keep it moving through the confusion, keep the peace. No
Then, iba-brush up natin yung mga powder na nilagay natin kanina kasi baka mamaya mag-cake siya pag masyadong matagal natin siyang binabad sa mukha natin. So, brush up lang natin siya.
On a Saturday, no plans, I could head your way.
So, dun sa under eye natin, gagamitin natin yung mga nilagay lang natin dun sa eyes natin. Hindi naman lahat, pero most of the dark shade, lagayin mo na. So, yung dark brown, lagay mo sa under eye. Pati yung bronze shade na ginamit natin. Bronze up naman tayo ng acting face para hindi masyado.
No plans on a Saturday. No plans, I could head your way. Wanna get to you, but honestly, I don't know how. It's me against the world, I don't need to doubt. No plans on a Saturday. No plans, I could head your way. Wanna get to you, but honestly, I don't know how. It's me.
For our blush, we are going to use my BH Cosmetics blush. So, we are going to use this shimmery one. This orange shimmery one. And kuha lang tayo ng brush. So, lalagay mo siya dun sa high points ng cheeks mo. Hindi mo siya lalagay dito talaga sa cheeks, pero dito lang sa high points.
Okay, that's the truth. My emotions make the move to the rhythm of my life. I know that you've been doing fine. Yeah, I am free at 5. I am free tonight. No plans on a Saturday.
Mag-highlights naman tayo. Gagamit ako ng mga pink and white. Pagsamahin natin yung pink and white. Tapos, ilagay natin siya dito sa ating.
No plans on a Saturday.
So, gagamitin natin tong Beauty Now and Next na lipstick on the shade Naughty. Lagay lang natin siya.
It's me against the world. I don't open up your note.
Tapos, top up natin siya with this Ofra Exotic. Yan, medyo nude talaga tayo today.
When you ditch your ego, yeah, it's getting kind of cold out. Do you want to hang out with me? I feel
So, for our setting spray, we are going to use this Sashi Naturals Rose Water Face Mist. So, lagay lang natin siya on our face.
No plans on a Saturday. No plans.
Too many thoughts on my mind, I can't sleep at night, so I just keep writing. I don't need no help, I don't need opinions, so don't waste my time then. I just been living online, my city don't show me no loving, that's fine. Fuck local radio stations, I got more plays than all of these rappers combined. I'm going again, I've been going in, I'm fed up with so many things, I gotta just let it all out. I'm talking about the shit they've been talking about.